Meron pa ang 3 oras.
Kasi mayan pa talaga pinili mo, ha? Kaya ako kilala ko yung pizza ko, ikaw, naawa ako sa'yo, eh. Ay, yung pizza ko kaya, swerte ka dyan!
It's crazy, lost in the moment, trying to focus. I just want this feeling to last. So moving closer.
Welcome sa Bagatan! Finally! See ya!
I'm writing a script for two, something for me and you, a story that's made for movie screens, and you'll have the lead in every scene. I'm writing a script for two. It's starting a chapter, starting a chapter. You, chapter you, chapter you. I'm starting a chapter, starting a chapter. You, whenever we touch, I feel the force of gravity. And I fall into heaven slowly but endlessly.
Thank you! Thank you!
Lost in the moment, trying to focus. I just want this feeling to last. So moving closer. I know you're meant for me. Marked in the heart like poetry. I'm writing a script for two, something for me and you, a story that's made for movie screens, and you'll have the lead in every scene. I'm writing a script for two. It's starting a chapter, starting a chapter. You, chapter you, chapter you. I'm starting a chapter, starting a chapter. You.
Mga minamahal ko mga kapatid kay Kristo, lalo na sa inyo Kuya John Ross at Ate Mary Ann, ngayong araw na ito ay ipinagdiriwang natin hindi lamang ang sakramento ng kasal, kundi pati ang mas malalim na katotohanan na kayo ay tinatawag ng Diyos na maging tanda ng pag-ibig ni Kristo dito sa mundo.
Nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos at nakilala ko isang maalaga, mapagmahal, tapat at sobrang gandang babae. You have the most beautiful heart and soul, and it shows in your kind eyes and warm smile.
Ross, when we first met at work in 2018, I never imagined that I simply say hello would turn into this beautiful journey together. Maraming obstacles, maraming stress, but we made it. And today, the impossible is possible. Through everything, one thing has remained constant: my love for you.
Bilang aking kabiyak o bilang ako ang kabiyak mo ngayon, I promise na lagi akong nasa tabi mo when life is good at nakayakap pa sa'yo when it is challenging. All this with hope that our now 7 years in the making continues forever, with our Lord Jesus Christ as always the center of our relationship. You deserve the best, and I'll always work to give you my best.
Today, I give you all that I am and all that I will ever be. My love, my trust, and my life for the rest of our days. Together we have overcome, we have endured, and we have tried. And I cannot wait to continue this journey with you. Every single day for the rest of our lives. I love you.
Love you.
I didn't see it coming, but I knew the second this world's crossed, it was you. Every glance, every word brought me near. This is the instant we've been waiting for here. Forever start for
Kaya ngayong araw na ito, ang binubuo ninyo ay hindi lang partnership. Ito ay hindi lang kontrata. Bagkus, binubuo ninyo sa mga sandaling ito ang isang paaralan ng banal na pag-ibig.
We'll take the pathway where visions align. With you, every instant feels divine. Forever starts now with you, so no need to run, no fear to show. Every step this is where it begins. Forever starts here.
Nakakalabi na to.